Hello there. Tonight, you're not just going to hear a scary story. This isn't a fairy tale, and it's not make believe. It's something that could happen to anyone who takes one wrong turn. But before we begin, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, not just because it helps, but because if you ever find yourself alone in a dark forest, forgetting who you are, the only thing that might save you is the voice that warned you ahead of time. Are you ready? Then listen carefully. The Silent Forest. He was driving along a narrow country road, one that didn't exist on any map. It felt like someone had drawn it just for him. Around him trees, tall, black, silent. Not a single breeze rustled the leaves. The forest felt dead. Alex didn't know why he had turned off the main road. It just happened. Somewhere deep inside, he felt something sticky and cold settle in his chest, as if someone invisible leaned in and whispered, "It's time." And strangely, he didn't feel afraid. Not right away. It all felt so normal. Just a quiet drive. Just an evening, until the clock stopped. 10:14 p.m. 10 minutes passed, still 10, 14. Then the hands began to move backward. The radio hissed and cracked like it was drowning, and through the noise, a voice emerged, hoarse, female, barely a whisper. "Go back, Alex." He slammed on the brakes. In the rearview mirror, something flickered. Tall, thin, faceless. He turned nothing. The road had vanished. Only the forest remained, and in the distance a dim amber glow swaying like an old porch lamp. He got out. His legs moved on their own. One step, another, and then the house. The wood was rotting, but the lamp was lit. Inside, it smelled like dust, mold, and something sweet, like syrup spilled long ago. Photos lined the walls, dozens of them, but the faces gone, cut out, scratched away, burned, except one. It was him. Fresh photo, same jacket, same look, same forest. A stair creaked above him. Someone was walking in the attic. He froze. Then, silence. He approached the clock on the wall, ticking again. But the sound was reversed. Tick, tock, tock, tick. Then, in the corner of the room, a mirror. Tall, covered in cobwebs. He stepped closer, looked inside. The reflection was not his. It looked like him. Same features, same clothes, but the eyes empty, hollow, like someone had scooped out the soul. And then it smiled. Finally, the reflection whispered. He tried to scream, but no sound came. The entire house groaned around him. The photos rustled. The walls breathed. The door slammed shut behind him. He ran up the stairs. The attic was empty. Just broken toys. A doll without eyes. A wind-up spinner. A music box playing a slow lullaby. And another mirror, just like the one downstairs. He looked. Again, not his reflection. It was laughing now, staring at him with pity. "You always knew you'd come back," it said. He spun around, no one was there. But in the mirror, someone was standing behind him. He turned again, empty. the mirror was lying. Down into the basement he ran. The air was thick. Every step echoed like a footstep that wasn't his. There, hidden in the dark, a door. Behind it, another room, filled with mirrors. Every wall, every shelf, every inch, and they were all watching him, whispering, buzzing, like a broken signal. In the center, one massive mirror, framed in dusty gold. He approached it. Inside his apartment, his bed, his room, and there he saw himself sleeping. He touched the glass, and it pulled him in. Noise, light, whispers, everything spun. He opened his eyes. His bed, his room. It was home. He sat up breathless, touched his face. Real, solid. He got up, walked to the mirror. Everything looked normal now. His reflection copied him. No delay, no smile. He exhaled, relieved. And then his reflection blinked first. Thank you for listening all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe, but most importantly, remember, now you know about the Silent Forest. And if someday your clock starts ticking backwards, if the radio whispers your name, don't look in the mirror. Good night. If you can sleep,